Bakaso Brave 8 Review, a budget-friendly beast for adventure filmmakers. If you're on the hunt for a powerful, budget-friendly action camera that can rival the likes of GoPro and DJI in both performance and versatility, then the Bakaso Brave 8 might just be your new favorite gadget. In this review, I take a deep dive into what makes the Brave 8 such a compelling choice for outdoor adventurers, travel vloggers, and content creators looking for high-quality video and photo capture without the premium price tag. Let's break down the specs, features, pros, cons, and overall experience of using the Bakaso Brave 8 over several weeks of real-world testing. Clapperboard video performance. 4K at 60 FPS. Smooth, crisp, and cinematic. The Brave 8 delivers 4K video at 60 frames per second, which is a game-changer at this price point. Whether you're shooting fast-paced sports, travel footage, or B-roll, the clarity and smoothness are impressive. The footage looks sharp and vibrant, with decent dynamic range and color accuracy straight out of the camera. Video resolution supported. 4K 60, 4K 30, 2.7K, 1080p 120/60/30, and more. Bitrate, solid and consistent for clean detail retention. Video formats, MP4, H.264/H.265, offering flexibility in editing and storage. Even in challenging lighting conditions, the camera manages noise fairly well. If you're using it in bright sunlight or well-lit outdoor scenes, you'll get cinematic quality video. The slow-motion modes, especially at 1080p 120, are great for capturing dramatic moments like action sports or water splashes. White heavy checkmark highlight. 4K 60 is rare in this price segment. The motion is buttery smooth, making your videos look professional without post-stabilization. Camera with flash stunning photos. 48MP sensor delivers crisp, detailed shots. When it comes to still photography, the 48-megapixel camera punches above its weight. You get photos that are rich in detail, and with good lighting, the Brave 8 delivers Instagram-worthy shots straight from the camera. Photo modes, single burst, time-lapse, and long exposure. HDR mode helps balance shadows and highlights in tricky lighting. RAW format support, yes, which is great for post-processing. The colors are vibrant but not overly saturated, and there's a surprising amount of detail even when you zoom in. While it won't beat a DSLR or mirrorless camera, it's absolutely one of the best image sensors you'll find in an action cam under $300. Hand with fingers splayed touchscreen display, responsive and intuitive. One of the standout features of the Brave 8 is its 2-inch responsive touchscreen, which makes navigating settings and reviewing footage a breeze. UI experience, clean interface, fast response time. Touch sensitivity, works well even with light gloves or damp fingers. Front display, no front screen like GoPro Hero 9 out of 10, but the rear display is more than enough for framing and control. If you're used to older Bakaso models or budget cams, this touchscreen will feel like a major upgrade. Sweat droplets waterproof and built for adventure. Take it anywhere. The Bakaso Brave 8 is waterproof up to 10 meters, 33 feet, without a case, and up to 60 meters, 196 feet, with the included housing. This makes it ideal for scuba diving and snorkeling, rainy hikes and kayaking, snowboarding or skiing. Build quality is robust and feels durable in hand. It's compact, rugged, and built for the elements. The camera body has a textured grip, and buttons are well placed for quick access even during intense activity. Brain AI and smart features. Bakaso has really pushed the envelope here with intelligent shooting modes. Super smooth stabilization. EIS 2.0 keeps your footage stable during running, biking, or shaky handheld shots. It's not as good as GoPro's Hypersmooth 5.0, but it's surprisingly effective for casual and semi-pro use. Voice control works decently for hands-free operation. Smart Wi-Fi app lets you control the camera remotely, preview footage, and download clips to your phone for fast social media uploads. Time-lapse and slow motion, easy to set up with great results for creative storytelling. Battery life, surprisingly good for a 4K shooter. You get 2 rechargeable batteries in the box, which is a big win. Each battery gives you around 90 minutes at 4K 30 FPS, up to 2 hours at 1080p 60. Battery life varies depending on Wi-Fi usage, screen on time, and temperature. But with both batteries, you're well equipped for a full day of shooting. Package what's in the box. Bakaso always impresses with its generous packaging. The The Brave 8 includes 2x batteries, charging dock, waterproof housing, multiple mounts, helmet, bicycle, adhesive, remote control, USB-C cable, user manual. This bundle gives you everything you need to get started, right out of the box, a huge bonus for new content creators or travelers. Counterclockwise arrows button pros and cons. White heavy checkmark pros. 4K 60 FPS video is smooth and crisp. 48MP photos offer excellent detail and color. Excellent stabilization for most activities. Responsive touchscreen with intuitive UI. Great value for the price. Waterproof without housing, up to 10 mAh. Dual batteries and accessories included. Crossmark cons. No front-facing screen. EIS isn't quite as advanced as GoPro/DJI. Low-light performance is decent, but not stellar. Some occasional UI lag under heavy use. Direct hit final verdict. Is the Bakaso Brave 8 worth it? Absolutely. For under $300, the Bakaso Brave 8 is one of the most feature-rich, high-performing action cameras on the market. It's ideal for travelers, vloggers, sports enthusiasts, and anyone who wants excellent photo and video quality without spending $400 to $500. If you can live without a front screen and top-tier stabilization, the Brave 8 delivers where it matters most: performance, durability, and value. It's a huge leap forward from earlier Bakaso models and cements the Brave 8 as a serious contender in the action cam space. School backpack, whether you're hiking in the Rockies, diving in Bali, or skateboarding downtown, this camera is ready to capture every moment. Thumbs up if you enjoyed this review or found it helpful. Be sure to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Pushpin, don't forget to check the description for links to the camera, accessories, and sample footage.